Keep your Samsung Galaxy S26 or S26 Ultra running at its best by updating all your apps at once. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to update both Google and Samsung apps. Update all apps from the Google Play Store. Most of the apps you install on your Samsung phone come from the Google Play Store. To update all of them together, start by opening the Google Play Store on your device. Next, tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Manage Apps and Device. If updates are available, you'll see an Updates Available section. Tap See Details to view the list of apps waiting for an update. To save time, simply tap the Update All button in the top right corner. Your phone will begin downloading and installing the latest versions of all eligible apps. For the fastest experience, make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and have enough battery power. Update Samsung apps from the Galaxy Store. Some Samsung apps such as Samsung Notes, Gallery, SmartThings, and other built-in apps are updated through the Galaxy Store instead of the Play Store. Open the Galaxy Store, then tap the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. Select Updates to see any available updates for Samsung apps. If updates are available, tap Update All to install every pending Samsung app update at once. Depending on the number and size of the updates, the process may take a few minutes. It's best to keep your phone connected to Wi-Fi and avoid closing the app until the updates are complete. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Samsung Galaxy guide.